Want to unlock the full potential of your Lovable AI project? Let's dive into integrating it with VS Code for advanced development. First, within your Lovable AI project, locate the Export Code button. It's usually in the project settings or dashboard. Click it to download your project's source code. Next, open VS Code and create a new folder for your Lovable AI project. Then extract the downloaded code into this folder. This keeps everything organized. Now, open the VS Code terminal, typically by going to View, then Terminal. Here, you'll want to set up your project's environment. If required, install any dependencies using a package manager like npm or yar. VS Code's debugging tools are invaluable. Set breakpoints in your code to pause execution and inspect variables, making it easy to identify and fix any issues. Finally, initialize a Git repository to track your changes. Commit your initial code, then create branches for new features or bug fixes. This is crucial for version control and collaboration, allowing you to experiment without breaking your main code. Congratulations, you've now integrated your Lovable AI project into VS Code, enabling advanced development, customization, and collaboration. Happy coding!